Hello, so today we are conducting an experiment to discover if the temperature of water affects the speed of dissolution of a dispersion tablet. First off, we're going to fill each beaker up to 100 milliliters of water, and we are going to heat up our first beaker to 40 degrees. I have carefully placed the beaker on top of the Bunsen burner um, with the thermometer for me to constantly check the temperature. Unfortunately, we do have a problem with the Bunsen burner. I am not able to switch to the heating flame, so looks like we are stuck heating up beakers with the safety flame, which is safer but does take longer to do so. Once the beaker has reached 40 degrees, we're gonna place it onto the bench mat so we do not burn the bench. I am going to now remove the beaker and place it on the bench mat, and I am going to place a dispersion tablet into the beaker and start the timer as soon as I drop it in. There we go. While that's happening, I am going to place a second beaker onto the Bunsen burner and we are going to heat up to 65 degrees. As you can see, our tablet is about to reach a full dissolution and we are going to stop the time, record it on our results table for later. Now that I am done using the thermometer for the other one, I will place it onto the beaker that is now being heated to 65 degrees so I can constantly check the temperature. I will also fill up a third and last beaker up to 100 milliliters so we can finish conducting our experiment. We are now reaching 65 degrees and I remove the beaker and place it on the bench mat. I will now open the dispersion package and again place it in the beaker and start the timer. We are now reaching full dissolution of our second tablet. As you can see, we'll record the time again into our results table. Our last beaker is supposed to be at 25 degrees, which is meant to be room temperature, but as you can see it is not. So we are heating it up a little to reach the 25 degrees. I will again remove it and place it on the bench mat so it does not damage the bench. I will open the disperent package and again place it in the beaker and start the timer. And again we're coming up to full dissolution of our last tablet. We're going to stop the timer and record the results in our result table. And that is the end of the video. Thank you very much.